I'm the operations manager of Cintali Apparel. It was very nice. The experience was very nice. We didn't have to hassle. We didn't have to look after them. We didn't have to keep running after them. On time, they had delivery of everything. The installation and everything was on time. We wanted to go with someone very professional, to be honest. There are lots of solar companies, but we wanted to go first with someone who a proper engineering firm and who would not make us like after services. They'll give us after services and properly do everything. मैं आपको ऐसे बताता हूँ कि हमारा कोई 6 लाख रुपया बिल था और वो तकरीबन लाख सवा लाख पे जो है ना आ गया, ऑलमोस्ट मिनिमाइज हो चुका है. We can pool in the money to buy more clothes, fabric, instead of putting money every month to the power costs. What I would like to say about them, they're going to do your work hassle-free, and they're very experienced, and there is a good team of engineers. They're going to give you a very good cost, and you don't have to worry about anything.